Hey everybody, welcome back to the Hobby Lodge. I just wanted to do this quick video to say a huge shout out to Goodwins Place for doing his guide on how to create one of these cool pixel art GIF screens. I don't know what the technical name for them is, but essentially he has a video on his channel which talks you through everything you need to buy and even how to configure it and set it up, and it's blimmin' brilliant. Like, now I have this up and running, it is a very cool feature in my games room. I look to get much joy out of it. I can't stop staring at it, frankly. And yeah, if you want to look at doing one yourself, get over to Goodwins Place on YouTube, give it a search. I'll stick a link on this video if I can. Check out his video and do this guide, because this is super cool and will look awesome in your games room. Thanks for watching. Bye.